We got the Charles, and then we got the Charles. And there is a Charles right here. So, in this new Charles update, you can get Charles. Charles isn't the best unit, it's not the new secret unit, it's not the new mythical unit. He's just like an epic unit. It's a very easily obtainable unit. Maybe it's going to be very overpowered. I didn't try it out yet. But in today's video, I'll be showing you every single new code for the Charles update. So we zoom in on the codes, we can actually easily see these codes, which you can actually redeem right now. The first code is going to be GOALET. GOALMET. This is the first code that you need to redeem for some lucky spins. Don't miss out on any future codes and subscribe to this channel so you're always up to date with the latest codes in Blue Lock. If you do want Robux, I am gifting Robux every single day. So comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you would like to have some Robux. Every single person in this channel that is commenting a heart emoji can get some Robux right now. The next code is ISAGHOESH. HOESH. ISSAGABCXYZ. Isagi Shoes is the next code that you need to redeem. Isagi Shoes. Free lucky spins. Charles code. Charles code. Charles code. Free lucky spins. You can get yourself a bunch of lucky spins by redeeming the Charles code. The next code is S8SHIDO. SAEX Shindao. SAEX Shindao. Free lucky spins. This is the next code that you need to redeem for some free lucky spins. Charles new codes for free lucky spins in Blue Lock's Rivals. Charles. Charles is here. Charles is here. The heart of PXG. Who is PXG? Anybody knows who PXG is? No, 2 million interested, 2 million interested, 2 million interested. We didn't get 2 million interested. We have to get 2 million interested, 2 million interested. Go to this guy and interest, okay? Go to this guy and click on interesting.